At the moment, oil and gold are two of the most well-known commodities that can be traded on the market, along with others such as silver. Just recently, a new commodity has announced that it will join the commodities market soon. Welcome to the TheBizPage channel. In this video, we will be looking at the inclusion of water, that is looking to join the commodities market in the future. If you haven't already, then be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Now without further ado, let's dive in. To start with, let's look at what the commodity market is and the history of how it began. Commodity-based money and commodity markets in early fashion are believed to have come from the years of 4500 BC and 4000 BC. It was the Sumerians that first used clay tokens sealed in a clay vessel, then clay writing tablets to represent different amounts. A good example is having the number of goats or animals to be delivered. The promises of having a time and date of delivery resemble the futures contract. Early civilizations mainly used animals, different types of seashell or other items as commodity money. Since those times, traders have established methods to simplify and standardize trade contracts. The commodity market is a market that trades in the primary resources, rather than manufactured products like fruit and sugar. There are also hard commodities that are mined. Hard commodities include gold and oil. The futures contracts are the oldest and most traditional methods of investing in commodities. Futures are obtained by physical assets. Markets of commodities can include physical trading and derivatives trading. This is done using spot prices, forwards, futures and options on futures. Farmers use a simpler form of derivative trading in the commodity market. Their method has been used for centuries, accounting for price risk management. Exchange-traded funds, otherwise known as ETFs, began to feature commodities for trade back in the year of 2003. The ETFs for gold are based on electronic gold. It does not involve the ownership of physical solid gold. The ETF has added costs of insurance and storage in sources such as the London bullion market. According to the World Gold Council, ETFs give investors the opportunity to get into the gold market without the risk of price changes linked with gold as a physical commodity. Are you learning something new from this video? If you are, then be sure to leave a like and visit the channel for more content. Let's now take a look at the insights of water joining the commodity market. The Chicago-based CME Group Inc. are set to launch contracts with links to the $1.1 billion California spot water market. This means that drinkable water will officially join gold, oil and other commodities that are currently traded on Wall Street. This will be a good opportunity for investors to buy shares within a new type of commodity. Because of the announcement of water becoming a commodity, farmers, hedge funds and various municipalities will have the ability to make predictions on water shortage starting at the end of 2020. It will be an interesting factor to see if this will enable water users to organize and come up with a balance between water supply and demand. When the balance between supply and demand is uneven, then that is the underlying cause of a water shortage. Stated by the UN, around 5 billion people around the world could be affected from shortages of water by the year of 2050. It is also known that Nasdaq Veles California Water Index had started 2 years before in the year of 2018. With this, a base spot price of water rights in California has already been made. As stated by Patrick Wolf, the lead product developer with Nasdaq Global Indexes, California has long periods of dry conditions followed by short periods of very wet conditions. And that affects the price a lot. This is referring to the broad climate that California has, and this will cause the price to rise and fall. It is quite interesting to see what is joining the market nowadays. I also hope you enjoyed learning about the commodity market and how water has just joined them. If you did learn something new in this video, then be sure to leave a like, share the video and subscribe to the TheBizPage channel for more valuable content.